Hello everybody, welcome back to another weekend vlog. Today is the first day of December. I am so incredibly excited because I have so many things planned for December. I'm starting so many things and I'll probably talk to you about it later on in the video. But yeah, today's the 1st of December. We're going to the zoo, we're going to Taronga Zoo because a family friend bought family passes, but she didn't end up going, so she's giving them to us. So we're gonna go to the zoo today. I'll take you along with me. I had pancakes for breakfast, as you guys saw. And yeah, hopefully this vlog isn't as boring as my past ones, because this week I finally finished all my assessments for the year and I'm so proud of myself. I've gotten some of the results back and I'm so proud of myself, and it's finally over, which means I'm doing less studying now. Obviously I still have homework, but it's going to be less of me saying I'm just studying today. If you do like this video and videos like these, don't forget to like, comment and maybe subscribe. So the lighting's really bad over in the mirror, so I might just show you guys my outfit here like this. So I'm basically wearing this polo tee that I got as a hand-me-down from my mum, and I'm wearing these shorts, if you can see them. Yeah, I featured them in a haul that's already up. It's my collective haul. These are from Supre and I absolutely love them. They're my favorite shorts right now because they're high-waisted, and like a lot of high-waisted shorts don't fit me because I have such a long torso, so they're not actually really high-waisted, and I am happy with them. Clips you'll see are probably me going over to Taronga Zoo, so see you then. So guys, it is the Sunday of the next weekend. I'm pretty sure, if this isn't a new vlog, I'm pretty sure this is part of the vlog that you're watching. I'm so sorry for not vlogging yesterday. I should have vlogged, but it wasn't that interesting anyway. I'll just fill you in. Yesterday I basically just did a bit of painting. I made some breakfast, good breakfast, and yeah, that was basically it. It wasn't very interesting yesterday. I was just really tired because it's been such a busy week. From Wednesday to Friday I was on a school camp, and then on the Friday after I came back I went home, and then I went to like a school dance slash disco thing, and then on Saturday yesterday I was just so tired, so I just wasn't up to vlogging. But today I'm going to go shopping alone to find Christmas presents for people. I'm also doing 2 Secret Santas, one in my like friend group and one in my class, so I have to find the rest of the presents. I've already got like half of them, but I just need to go look for that, but I need to go to a specific place to get there, so I'm going alone today, and then I'm gonna go home and I might make it home to go to church. Hey guys, I'm obviously home now, but guys, I got home at 2 o'clock and I fell asleep for 2 hours. It's 4 o'clock now and oh my god, I can't believe that I fell asleep. But yeah, I was planning on getting productive, but I guess that's not happening. Well, it could happen, but I have less time. I wouldn't say that my trip for Christmas presents was successful, but like I got all the stuff for my Secret Santa presents that are like due soon, like I have to give them soon, but like Christmas isn't too soon, so I guess it's okay, because I guess it's okay that I didn't get the presents for my like family yet. Like I've got half of them, but I still need to get like presents for my dad and my mum and half my sister's one, so still stressing about that. I don't really know what I want to do now, but check with you guys later. Okay, so it's editing Ariel, and I realized that I didn't actually end off this vlog, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Good